Hello everyone, my name is Basir and I'm at Oakville City DriveTest Center. Today I want to take you to road number 2. We went to road number 1, so now it is time to road number 2. So I park my car in reverse when the examiner is asking go to the left, shift the gear to drive, put the signal. If any car is moving, just make sure that don't bother other people or just be patient. Check all around, smoothly move. Once you move here, he's gonna ask you go to the right, check the mirror, put the signal, and smoothly, easily. Here you don't need to stop, but in case there is a car you need to stop. Check left, right. We are again going to the right, so another car is in front of me. Put the signal. If your signal is turned off, so you need to turn it on again. Check left, right. You don't need to stop. In case there is a car coming, going, so you need to stop for that. Here in this street, the speed limit is 50, so you can go 48, 49, 50. Try to maintain the speed limit. Don't go below that, don't go above that. So in case you are going 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer above the speed, just try to lower it down. So we are human. The examiner, they know that sometimes it is happening. If it is 1 mile, 2 mile up or down, that's okay. An intersection is coming, just try to check left, right. An entrance is coming, check every 5 seconds your rear view mirror. So we have green light here. If the light is red, we need to stop, otherwise we don't need to check. Just check left and right. Speed limit is 50. Try to maintain the speed limit. The examiner will ask you traffic light lifter, so you need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. From this broken line, come to the left. 2 lanes are going to the left. I'm not going to the first one. If I go to the first one, I need to switch it back to the right, so I will stay here. So whenever you stop behind another car, just try to maintain the speed, try to maintain the gap. It should be 1 car at the middle. As far as you see the asphalt and also 2 tires, that's good. So when you stop, check left, right, rear view mirror. Just show to the examiner that you are aware of your surrounding. So we got arrow. So if it is arrow, so we can go directly. If the arrow, now we can go directly to lane number 2 from left lane. So on the right side, if I go, that's going to 403 Ontario, Toronto, so I will stay on this lane. So we are going 403 Hamilton. So an intersection is coming, light is coming, just check left, right. So he gonna ask you QEW Hamilton, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. From this broken line, come inside. Once you approach the V shape, so you need to turn off the signal. The recommended speed is 40. You can go 45, 40, as much as you can control very well. So when this yellow line finish, I need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and also speed. Try to approach 95, 98. A car is in my blind spot. He is not letting me to go. So now he let me to go. I will join. So just make sure if a car is in your blind spot, he's not going fast. He's, for example, 95 or 90. You need to a little bit more accelerate to just join. Don't come to the end of the ramp. So he's gonna ask you, make a lane change, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and smoothly come to the right. Once you come, you need to turn off the signal if you are getting closer. So you don't need to turn off the signal because you are going to exit. So check the mirror, put the signal here while exiting. Don't lose your speed. Speed is 100. Still I'm 100, 100, 100. Once you approach to the V shape, you need to turn off the signal and also off the gas. So we are again going back to the freeway. 2 lanes are going to the left. So check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. If you are going from the first lane, that's good. If you are going through the second lane, so you need to make a lane change after you completely come. So here you need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. It is a good idea all the time be on the left side, because you don't need to do a lot of lane change. So here I'm going back to QEW Toronto, so I didn't turn off my signal. The light is red, so I will come to the complete stop. Just wait for the green light. If I got arrow, so I'm going directly. If I don't get arrow, so I will go at the middle. Probably I will get arrow, yes, because there is lots of car in my backs. Remember, while turning left, you need to check the pedestrian. So when you have arrow, basically you don't need, because when you have arrow, the pedestrian lights are off. If you don't have arrow, so the pedestrian lights are on. So again, we are joining QEW Toronto. So once this yellow line finish, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and speed up. You have a good distance. So now you can see it is a little bit hard to go 100. Now my speed is 85, so I need to join in 85. So he gonna ask you, make a lane change, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. Don't lose your speed. Once you get closer, you need to put the signal. So once you approach to the V shape, you need to turn off your signal. Again, he gonna ask you make a lane change or go to the right, check the mirror, signal, blind spot. 2 lanes are going to the right. So I want to come to the complete stop because my light is red. Just make sure other cars are, there is a car, I need to wait for him. So from here I will go to the right, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. I have arrow, I don't need to stop. Once you came here, you need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and come back or join to the lane. So the speed is 50. Try to check the rear view mirror every 5 seconds. Just move your head. If you don't move your head, I know most of the people, they just move their eyes, so the examiner, they cannot see them moving your eyes. So you need to move your head toward the rear view mirror or side view mirror. So an intersection is coming, an entrance is coming, just try to look. So we are going back to the test center, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and smoothly, nicely came to the test center. Either sometimes they are asking right, sometimes left. I'm going to the left, check. Once you came here, he gonna ask you right or left, so I'm going to the left, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. I'll stop in the parking 28. Once you completely stop, shift the gear to park, and that's it. Very easy, very short, so it doesn't take long time. Thank you so much for watching.